Survival is all about being prepared for the unexpected. Whether it's a natural disaster, a sudden car breakdown, or a power outage, knowing how to assess risks and prepare for emergencies can significantly increase your chances of staying safe. In today's video, we'll dive into essential survival skills and strategies, focusing on practical risk assessment techniques and how to prepare for various scenarios. The first step in any survival situation is understanding what could go wrong. Look around your home, neighborhood, and regular commute to identify potential threats. These could be natural disasters like floods or earthquakes, accidents such as fires or gas leaks, or even security threats like break-ins. By knowing the risks, you can tailor your preparation to address the most likely scenarios. Once you've identified potential risks, evaluate how likely each event is to occur and what impact it would have on you and your family. This step is crucial for prioritizing your preparedness efforts. For example, if you live in an area prone to hurricanes, that risk should take precedence over less likely scenarios. For each risk, develop a clear response plan. This includes what to do, where to go, and who to contact in an emergency. For example, in the case of a home fire, have a predetermined meeting point outside your house and ensure everyone knows how to escape safely. Regularly practice these plans with your family, so everyone is prepared and confident in an emergency. A well-stocked survival kit is your first line of defense in an emergency. Your kit should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, a flashlight, batteries, a multi-tool, and any necessary medications. Don't forget personal documents and some cash. Keep these supplies in an easily accessible location in your home and another kit in your vehicle, so you're prepared no matter where you are. Beyond just having a plan, it's vital to make your environment as secure as possible. Install smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, and security cameras. Reinforce doors and windows to withstand break-ins or severe weather. For your vehicles, keep them well maintained and always have an emergency kit on board, including jumper cables, a spare tire, and basic tools. Emergencies often come with unexpected expenses. Having a financial plan is just as important as having physical supplies. Ensure you have emergency savings that can cover at least 3 months' expenses. Consider keeping some cash in a secure but accessible location, as ATMs and card payments may not always be available in a crisis. Review your insurance policies to ensure they cover likely risks, and have a list of valuable items for quick reference in case of a claim. Finally, equip yourself with the knowledge and skills needed to protect yourself and others. Basic self-defense techniques and first aid knowledge can be life-saving in an emergency. Consider taking classes with your family and regularly refresh your knowledge. Remember, the more you practice these skills, the more prepared you'll be when you need them most. To summarize, survival is about preparation and knowledge. Start by assessing risks, evaluate their likelihood and impact, and develop a comprehensive response plan. Build a survival kit tailored to your needs, secure your home and vehicles, ensure financial preparedness, and train yourself and your family in essential survival skills. These steps will help you stay prepared and increase your chances of survival in any situation. Now, it's your turn to get prepared. Begin by conducting a thorough risk assessment of your environment. Gather the necessary supplies and ensure everyone in your household knows the emergency plans. Take action today. Your preparation could make all the difference in a crisis.